Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
In previous topic, we have learned estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Now we will learn second topic, and that is estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Okay, अब हम लोग जो है इस टॉपिक में हंड्रेड्स तक राउंडिंग ऑफ करेंगे। यहाँ पर आपको फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो है रिमेंबर करना है, और वह है नंबर्स 1 to 49 are nearer or closer to 0 than 100 and so rounded off to 0. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि 1 से लेकर 49 तक के जो नंबर हैं वह 100 के कंपैरिजन में 0 से नजदीक होते हैं, इसलिए 1 और 49 तक के जो भी नंबर हैं, ठीक है, इन सबको हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे 0 0. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now let's see some examples. Here first example 841. You know that 841 lies between 800, okay, and 900. You know that. Now see it's these two digits at ones and tens place, that is 41. Now according to this point 41 is nearer to 0 than 100, so we will round them as 0 0. So the required rounded off number of 841 will be 800, and you can also see that 841 is nearer to 800, so the rounded off number will become 800. Okay students, now in second example 709. You know 709 lies in between 800. Okay student, now observe these two digits of ones and tens place. Okay, I write ones and tens place. Okay, to understand clearly these two digits, they are closer or nearer to 0 than 100, so I will write as them as 0 0. So the required rounded off number of 709 will be 700. Okay student, how I rounded off 09 as 0 0 and write 7 as it is. Okay, now another way you can clearly see that 709 is nearer to 700, okay, than to 100, so the required number will be 700. In example 3, you know 944 lies between 900 and 1000. Okay students, now observe these two digits at ones and tens place. Okay, you can clearly see that 44 is nearer to 0. Okay, so I will round them off as 0 0. Okay, it will become 0, it will become also 0, and 9 as it is. So the required rounded off number of 944 will 900. Okay students, now another way you can clearly see that 944 is nearer to 900, so the required number will be 900. Thank you. Okay students, now we will learn another point, and that is numbers 51 to 99 are nearer or closer to 100 than 0, and so rounded off as hundreds. Students, you know 51 to 99 numbers are nearer to 100 than 0. Okay, यहाँ पर 51 से 99 के जो नंबर हैं वह 0 के कंपैरिजन में 100 के नियर और क्लोजर होते हैं। ठीक, आप सब जानते हैं। लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स। हियर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल 892। स्टूडेंट्स, you know 892 lies between 800 to 900. You know that. Okay, now you can clearly see that 892 is nearer to 900. Okay students, so our required rounded off number will become 900. Okay, so I'll write 900 as the required rounded off numbers up to the nearest 100. Okay students, another way, if you can't judge what is the required number, first of all see these two digits. Okay, 92 that lies between 51 to 99. Okay, and that is nearer to 100. Nearer to 100 means we will put 00 at the place of 2 and 9. Okay, and add 1 to the 100 place digit. Okay students, so it will become 9. Okay, here 2 becomes 0, 9 becomes 0, and we will add 1 to 8, that is 100 place digit. Okay, it will become 9. Okay, so our required number will be 900. Okay students, remember that. Now another example. Question 2, 779. You know that 779 lies between 700 and 800. Okay sir, now you can clearly see that 779 is nearer to 800. Okay, how? Because the digit at ones and tens place 79 will become 79, and 79 lies between 51 and 99, so they are rounded off as 100. Okay, means what? They will become 00. Okay, they will become 00, and we will add 1 to the 100th place digit, so it will become 8. Okay student, so our required rounded off number is 800. You have to remember both two tricks. Okay, now in question 3, 990. You know 990 lies in between 900 and 1000. Now you can clearly see that 990 is nearer to 1000, so the required rounded off number is 1000. It is clear? Okay, another way, observe these two digits at ones and tens place, that is 90, and 90 lies between 51 to 99, so it is rounded as 100. Means what? It will become 0, it will become 0, and 1 is added to 100 place digit. Okay, here 100 place digit is 9. We will add 1 to 9, it will become 10. Okay, it will become 1000. Okay, so the required rounded off number of 990 will 1000. So we will write it 1000. Okay students, in question 4, you know 558 lies between 500 and 600. Okay students, you clearly know that 558 is nearer to 600. So the rounded off number is 600. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, now another method. Observe these two digits. Okay students, that is 58. Okay, now you know 58 lies between 51 to 99. So we know it is nearer or closer to 100. Okay students, so it is rounded as 100, means what? It will become 0. It will become 0 and 1 is added to 5. Then it will become 6. Okay, now you match both the answer of both tricks. Okay, they are same. So required rounded off number of 558 is 600. Students, now third point is number 50 is equidistant from 0 and 100 both. It is a common practice to round it off as 100. लास्ट टॉपिक में हमने देखा था जैसे 5 0 और 10 से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे था, ऐसे ही 50 जो है 0 50 जो है 0 और 100 से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे होगा। जैसे लास्ट टॉपिक में हमने देखा था 5, यहाँ पर 5 था, यहाँ पे 0 था और यहाँ पे 10 था। मैंने आपको काउंट करके बताया था 5 जो है इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे था। ओके, सेम एज 50 is equal distance from both 0 and 100. So it is a common practice to round it off as 100. For example, first 550. You know 550 lies between 560. Okay, now 550 is equidistant from 560. Okay, so it will be rounded off as 100, means what? It is nearer to 600 and also it is nearer to 500. But remember that we have to rounded it off up to maximum number. Okay, and the maximum number of in 500 and 600 is 600. So we will round it off as 600. So our required rounded off number of 550 will become 600. Okay students, now for question 2, 950. You know 950 lies between 900 and 1000 and it is equidistant from both 900 and 1000. Okay, so the required rounded off number of 950 will become 1000. Okay students, in question 3, 750 lies between 800. Okay, now 750 is equidistant from both 700 and 800, but we will round it off as 800. Okay, so the required rounded off number of 750 is 800. Students, you have to clearly remember that when we round off such type of numbers, we have to round them up to the maximum number. Okay, in question 1, 600 is the maximum from 500, so we round it off as 600. In question 2, we round it off as 1000. Okay, in question 3, we rounded 750 up to 800. Okay, you have to remember these things clearly. Thank you.